lovely overture happening. Sneeze of death. Alright, let's see what's gonna happen. What you got up your sleeves, Deformed Lunchbox? I'm sorry. How could you not laugh? We LeBroning this now? Not the... no. It's happening. Oh shit, I'm not upset, man. Roses are red, violets are blue, but dandelions are special, just like you. Okay, that could work. What just happened? What? Ew. Wait, I'm so confused. Isn't that... Oh, he did not. What is that? What? Oh. Wow, that's alright. That's a lot of stuff. Oh, that must be a bitch to clean. Oh my god. I'm pretty sure that wasn't planned, but okay. Wow, okay, so that was the short horror film Sneeze of Death from Deformed Lunchbox. It's been a while since I reacted to a Deformed Lunchbox short horror film, but I'm glad that they came back with a bang, no pun intended, double shock factor in this one. Didn't expect the double shock factor. Really well done, very unexpected. Not your usual Deformed Lunchbox short horror film. Listen, Sneeze of Death. I mean, what else could Deformed Lunchbox come up with next? Always great to see them do their thing. Absolutely amazing. And hey, like, oh my god, like the whole aspect of the idea of it is just crazy and fun. And this is my kind of short horror and horror genre of the crazy it factor, the splatter factor, and the shock value. If it's the shock value that gets you, then you know they're doing their job. I didn't expect a double shock value, but it was fun to see, and I'm hoping that they use it more often in their next round of short horror films. This was fun, this was amazing, and it was absolutely great. They have been stepping up their game, and you can actually see that over the course of when I started reacting to their short horror films up until now. Absolutely fun and just a joy to watch Deformed Lunchbox do their thing. I'll leave a link in the description box below to the short horror film Sneeze of Death from Deformed Lunchbox. You can check it out and let me know in the comment section below what you thought about this short horror film Sneeze of Death, and did you enjoy the double shock value to it, or do you think that they should just stick with one thing? Let me know in the comment section below about the question I just asked, and I'll see you all in the next reaction video.